Thanksgiving equals Lions football, which equals food. That's why we're at Family Fair in Granville with Jessica, because it's going to be a little different this year. Big game, Bears, Lions, football. Why don't we tailgate Thanksgiving?
We definitely should.
Why don't we?
With the record, let's just turn it into a Thanksgiving tailgate party.
They're actually winning, Jessica. Let's take advantage of this,
I know.
right? Actually, I'm a Bears fan, so this is going to be a rough one for me.
We're very sorry for that.
All right, tell us how Family Fair is going to make Thanksgiving a huge tailgate party.
Yeah, so first we can start with appetizers. You can grab our deli-made chips and mix them with the Our Family blue chips. And then we have dips in the deli. Taking the street corn, instead of corn on the cob for Thanksgiving, put it into your dip this year.
I love that. Mm-hmm. I love that's like a Mexican flavor to it. Yeah,
it is,
I love so tasty.
And this is really all about getting everything prepped for you so you can sit down and watch the game. And when we go through, we have so many different ways to do that for you. So our veggie trays and our berry bowl, just have us do the work for you. Just put it out for your guests. It's ready to go.
I like that. And I also like customizational, taco bars and like a poutine bar going on over here. I love how you can customize that.
Right. Yeah, a tater tot poutine bar. So you just make these ahead of time in the oven and then put out any toppings that you'd like. We did the gravy, pulled turkey, green onions, cheese, bacon, of course, and sour cream.
This is a great way. I mean, I don't know about you, but that right there looks like a fantastic way to start my tailgating party with a poutine bowl. All right, so after we've noshed on all of this great stuff, we got to get to the main course. And I'm assuming turkey's involved and ham.
And ham.
Okay.
Yep, we have lots of options. Our deli sells complete, ready-to-heat meals. So again, if you don't want to cook these yourself, which we have amazing pricing on both, so make sure you get your turkey at Family Fair, but the deli has them ready to go. So then all you have to do is for these sandwiches, layer turkey, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, the cranberry relish, fried onions, and pickles, and Havarti cheese.
All of that is good, yes. And that's a ciabatta bread over there, maybe?
It is.
All right. And I see a pretzel bun sandwich as well.
For a little different take, we cooked a spiral ham, and then we made Our Family brown sugar and honey mustard glaze with some slaw, just mixed with olive oil and vinegar and salt and pepper.
Now, of course, you got the mashed potatoes and the stuffing, but then something fun for the kids. I mean, chicken and waffles, right?
Right. They can help make this. You can put it out like the tater tot bar, or you can have it ready to go. In the bottom, we put the stuffing, layered on top with mashed potatoes, and then just chicken strips from our deli that we sliced up, and then the gravy. And again, if you get your meal from the deli, it comes with the turkey and the stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, the relish.
Why work when you could just have
Exactly.
Family Fair do it all for you and then just pick it up and enjoy the game? We're not done yet. We've got to wash this down with a tasty drink and dessert. We're over the sweet treats. Boy, the bakeries here in Granville have gone all out.
Yes, our cake decorator, I mean, if you look at these donuts and the cupcakes, all you have to do, we love being creative. You can take Pinterest ideas or just explain it to them. I literally just asked them for some bakery-themed donuts, and I mean, look at this crowd cheering for the better team here.
Yes, the blue team, the lighter blue team.
Yes.
My Bears are still figuring it out. The Lions, however, have got it figured out. And that donut, you can just shove that in your face to celebrate another victory because they keep winning games.
Yeah.
What about a drink? How about a cocktail? A blue? Is there more blue involved?
There is.
Okay.
So with this, I already have some vodka in here, and then just add a little bit of blue curacao.
Just enough to make it a certain shade. We'll call it tropical blue.
Honolulu blue.
Maybe a Honolulu blue. Yeah, you can make this as blue or as light blue as you want. Personally, I go for navy.
So just shake up your vodka and blue curacao.
See that looks. You throw some club soda, some Sprite on top of that.
Exactly, and some lemon. This also can be made as a punch. Pre-game. So again, you're not doing that. Your guests are getting it ready themselves.
So what I'm hearing is the appetizers are all pretty much set for me. I can get a heat and eat meal, and the cocktails, I don't have to do anything but watch the game.
You don't.
And feed my face.
But
except
yes,
I do have to do one more thing, don't I?
You do.
All right, so there is a way to make these amazing little desserts. What do you, pumpkin pie shooters?
Yeah, Our Family pumpkin pie shooters.
I love this. This is pumpkin pie in a cup.
Yeah, very creative. You can get the kids involved. So we have a full fresh and finest pumpkin pie that we're going to put in here for you to mash.
Oh, they're putting me to work today. So we're gonna make this dessert right here in front of you. Really fun, get the kids involved, especially if they like pumpkin pie. And if they don't like pumpkin pie, I'm sure you could try a chocolate cream pie, French silk pie for the chocolate lovers out there. Super simple.
Yep.
The whole pie
Yes,
goes
the
right
whole
into the bowl.
pie.
And then
Mash it up.
the whole tub of whipped topping
Yep, our family whipped topping.
goes in the bowl. And this is where the kids like me get involved, where you just start smashing it, right? Smash, smash, smash. So you mix all this up and get the shooter cups, and then you just layer it. Like, what do they call this? A trefoil or something like that? I think there was like a special dessert name. I can't remember what it is. The hard part is not eating this just straight out of the bowl. 'Cause this looks yummy. Look at that.
I know, do you see how easy
Oh
it is?
my gosh.
Like, you don't think it's going to be that easy to mash up a whole pie.
A whole pie, so simple. There it is.
Yeah.
And then you
So,
put this in a
We-
piping bag?
Exactly.
All
We
right.
go magic of TV.
All right, here we go.
And
Boom.
we'll switch this out.
Boom.
So it's in the piping bag. We put some of what you mashed into the piping bag, and then we also have the Our Family whipped topping in the piping bag.
So what am I putting here in the base?
So those are ginger snaps, just crushed ginger snaps.
All right, so crushed ginger snap cookies in the bottom. And then a layer of pumpkin. Right there. Brrr. That's just me. I always have to make sound effects. Then some whipped cream. And I'm assuming once we've got this done, thank you,
Yep.
then we just do it all over again,
Exactly.
right? All right, one more time. Oh, made a mess. It's like me in the kitchen. There we go. Gotcha. How did I do, Jessica?
This looks great.
I did my best.
It's perfect.
I like making a mess in the kitchen.
There you go.
Here we are. Pumpkin pie in a cup with your cocktail.
Yeah.
We'll call that the Honolulu Blue Punch.
Sounds perfect.
Why not?
For the win.
If you must. Go Bears. But for you, Thanksgiving, tailgating, all the food you need and all the recipes you need are of course waiting for you at Family Fare.